Hey everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to create a list of SEO target keywords for your website. So we're going to be essentially doing keyword research today. So you'll learn how to find the best keywords for your site that are common for your respective industries. I'm going to be showing you how to do this keyword research using a tool called SEMrush because they make it super easy for you to build a list of target keywords and start tracking them and optimizing for them. So with that said, let's dive right in. The first thing we want to do when we complete keyword research is find a list of our competitors. So you might have a list of competitors already, or you might not. And you might want to uncover what other competitors are out there that you may have missed. So for example, in today's video, let's just say that our website is bicyclewarehouse.com and we want to do keyword research for this website. First thing we want to do is find a list of competitors. So I added the bicyclewarehouse.com domain under the organic research report. And this list here shows all of the top competitors. So what I want to do next is make sure that the top competitors are relevant and are in fact our top competitors. So performancebike.com, wheelworld.com, and giantbicycles.com. Let me pull up one more. bikeexchange.com. So I think overall these are pretty relevant to Bicycle Warehouse. So now that we have a list of competitors, what we want to do is look at the common keywords here and just click on one of the numbers. Once we click on that, it'll take us to the keyword gap tool. We want to see what are the common keywords that are similar to our competitors and our website. So next thing I want to do is just add the domains in this report. Once we added our competitors' domains, we're going to add our domain as well. And we want to find common keywords amongst all of these websites. And we're going to hit go. This list here shows us all of the common keywords that we have and also that our competitors have. You'll see what all of our competitors are ranking for, including our website. Go through this list and pull out the ones that are most relevant to your website so you can start tracking them and also making sure that if there are keywords that your competitors are ranking higher than you on, you want to make sure you are optimizing for those keywords. The next thing you want to do is also find the unique keywords that your competitors are ranking for, but you are not. So this list here shows us all of the keywords that our competitors are ranking for, but our website isn't. So this is a really important list here that you want to start keeping track of and also figuring out what kind of content we want to build so we can start ranking for them as well. What we also want to do is really focus on the keywords that have a lower keyword difficulty score. We want to focus on the keywords that we have an opportunity to rank. So I'm going to filter the keywords and only list out the ones that have a keyword difficulty score of less than 60. So these keywords are easier to rank for, so we can kind of build content and see the results more quickly. So as we go through this list here, let's see what are the common similarities we can pull and what are the topics we can identify. So there's bicycle shop, bike shop, bicycle parts. So a lot of location-based keywords, BMX bike shops, triathlon bike, your bike store. So it looks like BMX bikes are a common theme here. So what I want to do is uncover additional keywords around the BMX bike topic and identify more of those long tail keywords. So what we want to do is go to the keyword magic tool and just type in BMX bikes. That would be our seed keyword. And we want to find some long tail keywords. So what other keywords we can start tracking and building content around? Because we know BMX bikes is something that is very common amongst the industry and around our competitors. In order to find the long tail keywords, we would click on the advanced filters and click 4 in terms of word count. So we want keywords that are at least 4 words or longer, and a keyword difficulty score of 60. So these are all of the keywords that are long tail that have a keyword difficulty score of less than 60. So this is a really, really good list to keep track of and to figure out what are the best keywords we should be ranking for and building out the content for. So maybe BMX bike size chart, BMX bike track near me. So you'll see here. So what we want to do is maybe talk about 20-inch BMX bikes and have a page around those types of bikes. We might also want to look for the best column here and see what's showing up. So best BMX race bikes 2019, best 24 BMX race bikes. So maybe what we can do is build a page around the best BMX race bikes for 2019. And even by size too. So maybe 24, 16, 26. So this is a treasure trove of keywords that you can start ranking for around the BMX bike topic. So I really hope you thought this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. If you want our agency to complete keyword research for you or work on any SEO campaigns, please let us know by clicking the link down below. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.